someone Pinterest account without you knowing the person's name or email or any details about the person. So if you really have a picture or an image, just use that. Very simple. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu. Simple. So first of all, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu like this. Then after that, try to search for Google Play Store. So just scroll down and you're going to find the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store, which is the Play Store app. So what you have to do is to just tap on it like this. So just tap on it. And when you tap on it, what you have to do is to search for this app, which is going to go back. It's going to appear like this when you search it. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Then after that, tap on install to install this if you don't have this. But if you already have it, you just have to tap on open if you want to use it to search for an account of Pinterest. So you tap on open, and if you already have it, you can also use this, which is the Google search over here. We have microphone, and the next one is the Google Lens. So you can just tap on the Google Lens to just start using it, and it's very easy and simple. So you just have to tap over here when you want to use it, or you can just come over here, then you tap on open to use this. So what you have to do is to tap on open. So to find this with an image, let's tap on open. When you tap on open, you're going to see search with your camera. You can search with your camera by taking a picture of the person without the person knowing. And after that, you can also use you know I already downloaded a picture from the internet. So if you already have the picture on the internet, what you have to do is to after downloading it or saving it on your gallery, you have to just tap on it. So I'm going to search this you know girls or this lady's Instagram Pinterest account. So you just have to tap on this like this. So after tapping on the picture, you're going to see that it's working perfectly. Then after that, you're going to see search over here. You have to scroll, and this is the Pinterest account. So that is it. It's very simple and easy. Do you get me? And this is the Facebook account of the person. So that's it. It's very easy. So if you want a Pinterest account, just tap on it like this, and it's going to open. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on visit. Then you tap on the visit to just tap on it. So when you tap on it, you have to wait for some while. So let's wait. It's keeping up too much. It seems that my network is working slowly. That's why. But let's wait. Let's wait. It's going to appear. I'm sure the app has to appear. Then we tap on it, or maybe we're going to get access to the Chrome browser. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so it's getting access to Pinterest. Okay, let's try again. Let's tap on visit. Then after that, let's wait. So I don't want this video to be long. So like when you tap on this visit over here, this visit, when you tap on it, your browser, and also if you already have the Pinterest app, it's going to appear. Then you tap on the app, then it's going to get you logged in the app. Then after, as you can see, it has already opened. So it's now opened, and this is it. This is the account of the person, Eva Lovia. So that's the account of the person, and this is the image that we got on the internet. So that's how to search it, and this is some of the image of the person. So that's it. Thank you very much. This is how to search for someone's profile on Pinterest without knowing the person's name or any details of the person, without knowing the person's account number or anything. You just use an image to search for the person's account on Pinterest. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, share the video with your friends on other platform. Also, let the people know about my channel. I teach about these things.